Okay. Welcome back. Always back. Welcome back to my. Welcome back to my. Okay. Welcome back to my channel, guys. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Zay, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an updated video of my Invisalign. So I'm still not done with my overall process, but I did want to go ahead and update you guys just because a couple of you were like asking me questions, want to know how I was doing my treatment, how far along I am, stuff like that. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and make this video, but I still am going to make like another video whenever I do finish. So if you guys do have like more questions after this video, you guys can definitely ask me them and then I'll answer them in the next video. If you guys have any questions about like the overall pricing, my overall like treatment, stuff like that, how long my process was going to be, make sure you guys check out the first video that I did, and the link for that will be in the description below. So I'm just going to show you guys some pictures of what my teeth used to look like before I started my Invisalign. And I did start this process in March of 2020. Yeah, 2020. So it's been like 2 years now and I'm still not done. My treatment plan was only supposed to be for like 6 or 7 months. It just got a little prolonged because of me, not because of Byte, but a little because of Byte too. Just because like they're not customer service, it's not bad, but it does take some time for them to kind of like not really get back to you. So if I wasn't happy with like my retainers or like how my teeth were or something like that, and I needed to do a review, I would email them and then it would just take like 3 to 4 business days for them to kind of get back to me. And then I would have to like do a review or whatever. And then it would take them 3 or 4 more business days to kind of get back to me. And then after I did my review, they would come up with a plan. Basically, they would just send me like more retainers, and that would take like 2 weeks for them to kind of get back to me. And you have to wear each retainer for a week. So that would kind of like prolong the process even more. And I did that about like 3 to 4 times just because I always like noticing like little things that, you know, you're paying for it with your money. So obviously you want to make sure that you're getting your money's worth and getting like the best possible experience that you can. So if I ever notice like something small, I would do like reviews so that I can get that fixed because like I said, I'm paying like a lot of money. So I want to make sure that I'm basically getting my money's worth. I don't know what the fuck to talk about next. Another reason that it would kind of be prolonged is because I'm kind of lazy and inconsistent. So there would be some nights where I wouldn't really wear my retainers. You know when you just come in, you just be too tired. Like I would just go straight to my bed, go to sleep. Like I wouldn't even do anything. So that kind of prolonged my process. And then you're also supposed to use this Byte is what this is called. And this is basically like a little tool that's supposed to like shift your teeth a little bit faster than some of the other Invisaligns. So there would be days where I wouldn't really use this, and you're supposed to use this once a day for like 5 minutes. So I'm basically the reason why my treatment plan got prolonged, because I'm lazy. I'm not blaming it on Byte. It was nothing that they did. It was just because of me, like I said, because I'm lazy. But I am on not my last set, because I'm still waiting for them to send me one more set, because I still had like a little issue with like a gap in between my front teeth sometimes. And then one of my bottom teeth was like a little crooked. So I'll show you what they look like now. So basically my teeth are pretty much fixed overall. I don't really have a gap in the middle of my teeth, and I did have some other types of like spacing in my teeth. That's pretty much gone. One of my bottom teeth in the middle is still a little crooked a little bit, so they're sending me some aligners to kind of fix that. But overall, I had like a pretty good experience. But to answer some of you guys' questions, the most common question that I was asked was how long did it take for my gap to kind of fully close, my gap in my front teeth. And I started this in March and my gap was closed in August, I'm pretty sure. I'll kind of insert some pictures so you guys can see. Whenever I first got them, I was very consistent just because like I really wanted my gap to go away. But now, since like my gap is not really there that much, that's where like I got kind of lazy and stuff like that. But I'm really getting back on top of it just because I don't want my gap to ever come back. So yeah, that was pretty much the only question that you guys asked me. So yeah, hopefully you guys are not like paying attention to my hairline. I need a haircut. My waves look good though. Waves always on swim. Waves on swim, so they hate on him. Anyways, back to the video. I would definitely recommend Invisalign, Byte, whatever you want to do. Oh, a little tip for you guys too. So if your retainers are ever like dirty or whatever, or like cloudy, you can soak them in hydrogen peroxide and water. And I think the ratio is like 1 part hydrogen peroxide and like 4 or 5 parts water. I'm sorry that I keep like blinking and like my eyes are like burning or running or whatever. It's because this ring light is literally so bright in my eyes. It's so bright, but I had to have it on because I need the lighting, obviously. But I'm going to show you guys what my teeth look like with my retainers on.
12 seconds later.
So this is what my teeth look like with my retainers on. I do have a little bit of a lisp, but it's not as bad as when I first started. You guys are going to get used to it, so it's not that bad. You'll learn how to talk with your retainers in. And you may like notice my teeth are a little bit whiter now. It does come with some like whitening stuff, but I never really use it. And it's supposed to help clean your retainer, so I do use it for that, but I don't think that it really helped whiten my teeth. One thing that really helped whiten my teeth were 3D Crest whitening strips. Oh gosh. So yeah, I used the whole pack of those and it really whitened my teeth. But make sure you don't leave them on for a long time, because I was dumb and I put them on at nighttime and I literally fell asleep with them on, and they were on for 4 hours and my teeth were so sore and sensitive the next morning for like really almost a week, honestly. So I would definitely not recommend leaving those on for more than 30 minutes. I wouldn't even leave them on for an hour, to be honest. I would definitely recommend Invisalign or something, because for me, my biggest insecurity like growing up or whatever was like my teeth. Everyone around me had like perfect teeth, and I never like got braces or anything like that. So whenever I was able to, I went ahead and I got Invisalign. I fixed my teeth, and it definitely like boosted my confidence a little bit.
Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap.
Never really like didn't have confidence, but like my teeth were just insecurities. So if I look back at like all my pictures from that time, I would never like smile. I wouldn't show my teeth. If I like laughed or something, I would always cover my mouth. But now I smile all the time. I'm always showing my teeth. A lot of people tell me that I look like I could be in like a freaking Colgate commercial or something like that. Like, I'm basically on a head with teeth, pretty much, or a mouth with teeth. I don't know. Just got a lot of teeth. But this has made me feel a lot better, so I would definitely recommend, if it's something that's like an issue to you or something that bothers you, I would definitely recommend getting Invisalign, because like I said, it made me feel a lot better. It's not that expensive. If you do have any questions about pricing and stuff, just make sure you check out the first video where I kind of go over all that stuff. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give like a thumbs up, like, comment. That's the same thing, but yeah. But thanks for watching.